Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your media kit using Canva. So once you're on this page, all you need is to fill up it with your name and your email address and click Get a Free Media Kit. So once you've done that, you should get an email notification to confirm your subscription. Here we go, it's already updated. And then we click to confirm subscription. Once you appear on this page, you have to do is to click. First of all, you have to read this very careful, because don't press anything without reading everything step by step. And the first thing, you have to watch this tutorial that I'm gonna place right here. And the next thing, you have to click on this link right here. So once you click on this link, if you're not registered in Canva, the first thing you have to do is to register in Canva. But once you register and click again on this link, you will see your media kit. The first thing you need to do is to go File and make a copy of your media kit. So here we made a copy. We can rename it My Media Kit, and we can start. So here you can adjust a different font. For example, here I used all my brand colors and my brand font. So here you can use different fonts. Some of them, for some you have to pay, some of them are for free. So for example, I'm gonna pick, let's say, this one. So we change, and then if you want, you can change the colors as well to your brand colors. I'm gonna stick with this one. So here you have to write about your blog. Here is your blog name. Then the next thing, you have to put here your picture. You can upload your pictures using the button right here. You can drag and drop. So once you upload a picture, you will see this little gallery, and you just have to drag and drop. So I'm gonna use, for example, the image right here. So here we go, and by clicking 2 times, you can adjust it into the circle, and then click enter. So here you just can write shortly about yourself. In the left column, your name, in short words about yourself, your social media channels. If you don't use one of the social media channels or use another social media channels, you can easily edit it by going to Elements and typing the social media icon that you need. For example, I would go for Pinterest, and then click enter, and here you can find several buttons which you can adjust the colors. For example, I'm gonna use this color right here, make it smaller, and then place it to, for example, this YouTube button, adjust the size of it that it fits the rest of the icons, and then click Pinterest. Here we go, we are done. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. And then here you write the amount of followers that follow your social media channels. The next session is to edit information about your website traffic, how many views, monthly visitors you have, how many people stay on your page, your bounce rate, which is pretty important for brands to see. In the left column in the bottom, you can write your email address, your phone number, your website. And here you can click, you can change some of your previous collaborations. If you were not collaborating before, no problem, you can just delete it by clicking the bean icon right here, or by just clicking delete on your keyboard. So the next page is about sponsorship and services, where you explain each service that you provide for brands. It can be a product review, brand ambassador, sponsored post, giveaway, and affiliate. Here as well, if you already have your prices, you can write starting from, let's say, $100. 100. Where's my dollars? $100. And then we're gonna stretch it a little bit, So if you want to add some prices into your media kit, that is also very handy. In the bottom of this page, you can as well add your email, phone number, and your main website. And the last page is some information about your visitors, subscribers. You can get this information via settings. It depends on the social media channel, and as well as on the website. For example, if you use Google Analytics, you can easily find this information. So here you can write top countries where your visitors are coming from. That would be very easy for collaborators to understand if you're the right fit to promote their product or not. The gender as well, and the age. And in the end of this section, I added some reviews from the previous collaborations. It's quite important to add these reviews. However, I see that not so many people add this part, because in this way you can outstand with your media kit from other media kits by writing, but by giving the reviews from other products. So yeah, that is basically how it works. It's very easy. You can change these colors as well by just clicking on the section of the page and choosing any other color that you want. So the next thing that you want to do is adding links. For example, I want to add a link to the website. I go to the link button right here and then place link. So I need to highlight the section where I want to add a link. Like this, it would be easier for brand owners just to click on this section and get onto your website. Or if it is social media, then click and then put your social media links here as well. Or for example, here you can add your usernames on this social media platform and add the links as well. That is basically how it works, very easy to use. And the next thing we need to do is to save our media kit into PDF. Originally it's gonna come into the PDF, so you don't need to choose anything else, but if you would like to use it in JPEG or PDF standard, you can also choose any of these options, but I would just go for PDF print because it saves in the highest quality possible. For example, you decided to get rid of the third page, then you can click here just to download the page number 1 and the page number 2, excluding the page number 3. If you would like to choose all the pages, then we just need to click the button right here and it will select all the pages. Then click download and your design will start to download into your browser, and then you can drag and drop into your desktop and it's ready to use.